This monumental press shapes the disc. Heated dyes prevent rapid cooling, transforming the raw ingot into
Molten superalloy is gas atomized, forming dense, spherical powder. This powder is loaded into steel cans. It begins with wax injection, creating intricate cooling channels. Then, superalloy is poured. Every blade undergoes strict inspection. X-rays reveal internal flaws, while tracking surface.
Inside the chamber, a two-layer system is applied. EBPVD creates a columnar structure.
Precision CNC machines cut carbon fiber sheets. Plies are layered precisely to build strength. The titanium and nickel blades are precision milled from CAD models for maximum engine efficiency. Broaching creates intricate FERT tree slots. Spark erosion shapes the cooling holes. High-pressure nozzle guide vanes operate in the engine's most severe environment. Specialized CMM laser systems drill thousands of cooling holes. They protect the metal from extreme heat. Precision grinding achieves the final geometry. This ensures a perfect fit. Assembly begins with the fan disc. Each composite blade is carefully aligned. Lock plates secure them in place. Each disc undergoes dynamic balancing. Software calculates the exact correction weights. This
Clocking position looks good. Torque it to spec. Easy on the alignment.
tight tip clearances directly determine the engine's thermal efficiency.
Stage 3 clearances are within spec.
Copy. Assembly begins with the large annular outer casing. Precision fuel nozzles mount onto the manifold. The HPT requires absolute precision. Single crystal blades are flawlessly fitted, managing. The low-pressure turbine drives the fan, extracting energy with larger, multi-stage nickel alloy. The fan module is guided onto the core's forward end, drives the LP spool, completing the connection. The automated machines lay down carbon fiber. The laminate is then autoclave cured. Inside the cell, the team prepares the engine. It is lifted onto the precision mounting frame. Fluid and data lines are connected.
Initiate ignition sequence. Take it to max takeoff. Thrust confirmed, data points look solid.
Commencing internal visual inspection. Nitrogen gas in gas then purges the system lines. Giant engines begin their journey, bound for aircraft assembly plants, or via air cargo for
Let's open it up.
All seals are intact.
Serial numbers match perfectly.
Engineers begin the precise process. They align the massive engine to the pylon. High-strength bolts are torqued to spec.
Engine 1, fuel flow normal. Copy that, generator.
Technicians install the health monitoring unit. Crucial data limits are then programmed. The team completes the final checks.
Systems green.
All systems connected.
Ready for its first flight. Additive manufacturing allows us to create impossible geometries. A high-power laser melts superalloy powder, building. We are defining the next generation of flight, testing advanced materials for dramatic efficiency.